Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 update error code some problems installing updates. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type net space, stop space, WUAU serve. Type net space, stop space, bits. Type net space, stop space, crypt svc. Type ren space, /Windows /software distribution space, software distribution.old. Type ren space, /Windows /system32 /catro2 space, catro2.old. Type net space, start space, WUAU serve. Type net space, start space, bits. Type net space, start space, crypt svc. Exit and restart system. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc space, /scano. Type dism space, /online space, /cleanup -image space, /restore health. Exit and restart system. Third method is click Start, Settings. Click Update and Security. Click Troubleshoot, click Additional Troubleshooters. Click Windows Update, click Run the Troubleshooter. Fourth method is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Windows Update Service. Select Startup Type to Automatic, click Start, click Apply, click OK. Restart the service. Fifth method is open any browser. Type Windows 10 download in browser search bar. Click Download Windows 10 disk image. Click Download tool now. Open downloaded file. Click Yes to continue. Click Accept. Select Install Windows 10 and keep personal files and apps, click Install. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.